Hello, my name is Norafifa Aimi binti Amlur Razak from AP 2294A. Today, I will present one refurbished building which is Jaegersborg Wall Tower that located at Copenhagen, Denmark. This presentation will cover the history of building, details on refurbishment or adaptive reuse, materials and process, and the visual of the case study that includes plans. Now, we move to the history of the case study. This building was constructed in 1954 and finished the construction works in 1955. Then, the work has been undertaken to an existing building that includes some changes or modification. The architect that responsible for this project is Dorte Mendrup Architecture. The refurbishment work happened when Water Tower was converted and transformed into 10 stories mixed-use building, student housing units at the upper floors, youth center, multi-purpose rooms at lower floors, and outdoor playground at ground floor. For material use, each unit for student housing is expressed by a protruding crystal that brings daylight into the apartment and offers unobstructed views to the surrounding landscape. Together with that, the crystal and the joint balconies emphasize the landmark character of the tower. After that, the lower floors are inhabited by a youth center and contain several large multi-purpose rooms. A combination of tall windows and colored panels create a varied pattern that surrounds the youth center. Moreover, large garage-style doors on the ground floor open up to extend the active indoor space into the outdoor playground. For method and process of refurbishment works, the approach has been to strengthen and maintain the tower as a landmark by retaining the large-scale columns and tank. Then, the additional units use the crystal-like bay windows that highlight the building's new function. In this visual, we can see the transformation of shape from existing irregular geometry to the flexible transformation that include the multiple functional zones. Furthermore, the next process is focusing on the exterior looks. The implementation of new elements emphasizes the original character. So this is how before and after looks like. And some visuals and photos of the case study. These are the floor plans. This building contains 10 stories. The top 5 floors are reserved for student housing and feature roomy with bright apartments with multifaceted protrusions that can draw more light into the apartments. Delighting through the extensions brighten the interior and providing a warm and sunny space with a view of the surrounding landscape. The bottom floors are used for a youth center that features several large multi-purpose rooms, as stated before. The tower's multi-faceted crystal-like protrusions add character to the facade and at the same time open the interior living space with views and light. This interesting and practical refurbishment of a previously unused space shows that refurbishment can be conducted on virtually any structure with gorgeous results. Finally, the last one is a simple sketch of this refurbished building that can attract people like tourists or maybe artists too to come here. As a conclusion, the building fulfilled the concept of changes that include changes in function, capacity, and performance. So that's all for Jaegersborg World Tower. Thank you.